We guide you through how to fix iPhone hotspot not showing. So first, open settings, tap personal hotspot, and make sure allow others to join is turned on. If you don't see the personal hotspot option, go to settings, cellular, then check if personal hotspot is available and ensure cellular data is enabled. Next, turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on since both are required for hotspot discovery. If the hotspot still doesn't appear, restart both your iPhone and the device you're trying to connect. You should also disable low power mode by going to settings, battery, because it can affect hotspot functionality. Then check for career settings update by going to settings, general, about, and install any update if prompted. After that, make sure iPhone is running the latest iOS version by going to settings, general, then software update. If the issue continues, reset your network settings by going to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, then reset network settings. Keep in mind, this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords and network settings. And finally, if personal hotspot still missing or not working, contact your mobile carrier to confirm that hotspot is included in your cellular plan.